Welcome dear Goenkans to the English class. Hope you all are doing fine. Today is the third day of our revision and today we will be talking about linking verbs with respect to present and past tense. So what are linking verbs? Linking verbs are those verbs that link naming part of the sentence with the telling part of the sentence. And some examples are is, am, has, was, had, etc. Now you all know what's the tense. Tenses of a verb tell us the time when the action takes place. It can be present tense, it can be past tense, and it can be future tense. In this session, I will be talking about usage of linking verbs with present tense and with past tense. Present tense tells us that the action is happening now, and the past tense tells us that the action took place. Alright, first and foremost, the linking verbs that are used with singular nouns are is, am, has, was, and had. These linking verbs are used with singular nouns, nouns that are one in number. And the linking verbs that are used with plural nouns are, have, were, and had. Alright, now you all know present tense tells us the action is happening now. The linking verbs that are used with singular present tense are is, am, and has. For example, she is a girl. She is a singular pronoun, so we will use is with it. I am a girl. I pronoun is a singular, so we will use am. Reena has a toy. Reena is a singular, so we will use has with it. Alright, and the linking verbs that are used with plural present tense are and have. They are playing. They is plural, so we will use are with it. Reena and Seema are eating an ice cream. Reena and Seema, they are plural, so we will use are with it. They have a car. Alright, they is a plural pronoun, so we will use have. Sam, Tom, and Edison are playing in the park. Again, they are plural, so we will use are with it. Now coming towards the past form. With singular noun or pronoun, in the past tense we use was and had. Ram was playing in the park. Ram is a singular noun, so we will use was with it in the past tense. Ram had a car. Ram again is a singular, we will use had, a linking verb with it. Alright, and in plural form we will use were and had. Here you have to remember, we use had with singular as well as with plural. Alright, singular, in singular form we use had, as well as in plural form we use had. Now let's move to the worksheet. You have to fill in the blanks with present and past forms of linking verbs given in the brackets. I'll help you with first two and you will complete rest of the sentences yourself. Prem and Rajat dash reading a letter. So Prem and Rajat, they are plural nouns and we are given with two options, are and is. Now you have to choose one correct linking verb in order to complete the sentence. Prem and Rajat are reading a letter. Because Prem and Rajat are plural, so it will take a plural linking verb. So we will write are here. Now the second one is the artist dash mixing the colors. Alright, the artist. Artist is a singular noun. So we will use was or am. So was and am both are used with singular pronoun or a noun. See, am is used with I. Alright, am is not used with the third person singular. So we will use here was. The artist was mixing the colors. Alright, similarly you will complete rest of the sentences yourself. That was all for today. I'll get back to you with another session. Till then, stay safe and take care.